Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, how to add fruit into your arrangements, giving it that harvest look. Works best with a pick. I like to use the 6-inch wood picks and actually just pierce them directly into the flesh. I do two. One, it's a little too heavy. Then, using your Oasis Floral adhesive, cold glue, glue that point of insertion. What that does is it locks the pick in place and makes sure that the fruit doesn't pull apart from the pick as it dehydrates. So once again, just 2 picks into your fruit, a little bit of glue, let it set, and you're ready for designing. Now you know the pro tip for working with fruit.